Namaste friends, my name is Yoga Guru Sunil Singh and I am founder Yoga Lover Trust. Today I am going to share few subtle exercises which are very good for people who are suffering from cervical, frozen shoulders and numbness in the hands. All these exercises, it will hardly take 3 minutes in the morning and 3 minutes in the evening. Anybody from 8-year-old to 100 years can practice these exercises. These are isometric exercises. The benefits are many of these exercises are more blood flow comes to that particular part of your body, more oxygen, more nutrients. Detoxification happens from there. Your spine becomes strong. So how to do these exercises? These can be done sitting on a chair, on the ground. You can practice. Exercise number 1 is you have to sit upright with the help of your index finger. You will be putting pressure on your chin, forcing it to go back, and your chin will use counter force to push your fingers forward. And we will be holding this particular posture for 30 seconds. So exercise number 1. Close your eyes, be aware of whatever you are doing it and hold it for 30 seconds. Then comes exercise number 2. We have to bend our neck and lower lip will touch upper lip. Close your eyes and hold it for 30 seconds. Exercise number 2. Come back. Now exercise number 3, the English Y we are supposed to make. Stretching our hands a little bit back, more backward, and make it a Y of English. And looking front up and holding it for 30 seconds. We have to unite both the shoulder blades and looking front and up. Exercise number 3. Palm facing each other. Exercise number 4, T in English, taking thumbs backward, parallel to your shoulder. We have to stretch hands and holding it for 30 seconds. The next exercise, W in English, making W, pulling back both the shoulders, maintaining it for 30 seconds. Last exercise, making L in English. Stretching it back, holding it for 30 seconds and come back. All these exercises we have to do step by step. It will hardly take 33 minutes for all exercises. You can do it in the morning, in the evening also. In the next program, I'm going to share something new. But before that, I request you, please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you very much. Namaste.